Are you planning to take the CFA in 2025 but feeling overwhelmed by all the topics, timelines, and technical jargon? You're not alone. I'm a CFA charter holder, and I still remember exactly how overwhelming it felt when I first started out. So, if you plan to take the CFA in 2025 and are unsure where to begin, I get it. In this video, I'll share the Complete CFA Roadmap, from deciding if it's the right path for you and understanding what the journey looks like, to planning your study timeline and passing the exam without burning out. This guide is what I wish I had back in the day, whether you're starting at level 1 or advancing to level 3. So, let's get into it. But first, do me a quick favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss valuable career insights. All right, so is pursuing the CFA still worth it in 2025? The short answer is yes, but not for everyone. The CFA Charter is still one of the most respected designations in the industry if you wish to build a career in asset management, equity research, portfolio management, or corporate finance. It's globally recognized, employer-approved, and known for its rigor, which signals to recruiters that you're serious. But it's also a huge commitment. You're looking at over 900 study hours across all 3 levels, often while working full-time. It's worth it only if it aligns with your career goals. And that's where this roadmap comes in. Now, let's talk about what's new for the CFA in 2025, because the exam has evolved. First, all CFA exams are 100% computer-based, and the exam windows for 2025 include Level 1, February, May, August, and November. Level 2, May, August, and November. Level 3, February and August. Plan your study schedule around these windows carefully, especially if you balance work and life. Additionally, the CFA Institute updates its content annually. In 2025, they tweaked Quant methods and portfolio management and strengthened the practical skills modules, which are now mandatory before exam day. These modules include Python, portfolio construction, and financial modeling. You must complete one to receive your exam result. It's their way of making the CFA more hands-on and relevant to the job. Now, let's break down your journey, one level at a time. Level 1 is all about the basics and building your foundation. You'll cover topics like ethics, quantitative methods, financial reporting and analysis, economics, and portfolio management. It's dense with definitions, formulas, and concepts, and features a multiple-choice exam format. Level 1 focuses on volume and requires extensive memorization and consistent study. Plan for around 300 to 350 prep hours, roughly 10 to 12 weekly over 6 months. If you work full-time, aim to start your prep 5 to 6 months before your exam date. Okay, then we have Level 2, where many candidates struggle, and it's easy to see why. The exam format shifts to item set questions. You'll read a mini case study and then answer several questions based on it. You'll need to apply what you know, not just recognize terms. You'll also gain deeper insights into equity valuation, financial statement analysis, fixed income, portfolio management, and corporate finance. So, while Level 1 is, what is this? Level 2 presents a scenario and challenges you to solve it. Prep time? It still takes around 300 to 350 hours, but the study techniques have changed. You'll need more practice, application, and mock exams. Lastly, we have Level 3. Level 3 emphasizes portfolio management and wealth planning, introducing constructed response questions or mini-essays as a major twist. So, instead of choosing A, B, C, or D, you must write your answers clearly and concisely. You'll need to interpret client objectives, recommend strategies, and justify your reasoning, all under time pressure. It's less about formulas and more about clear thinking and communication. All right, when should each level be taken? Typically, you complete 1 level per year, following the conventional route. But life's unpredictabilities may alter this timeline. Some candidates take a year off between levels, and that's okay. The actual aim is not speed, but retention and readiness. Now, let's discuss strategy, because the approach to studying is as crucial as the content itself. Here's a proven 3-step method I recommend. Step 1. Start with the core material, video lessons, reading summaries, and formula sheets. Engage in active recall by taking notes, quizzing yourself, and articulating concepts in your own words instead of just passively reading. And here's a pro tip. Use visual memory tools like flashcards, mind maps, or memory palaces. Step 2. Practice like crazy. Once you've got the basics, practice questions as early as possible. Build speed and confidence under exam conditions. I recommend end-of-lesson quizzes, topic tests, and at least 3 to 5 complete mock exams before exam day. Step 3. Review smart. Instead of merely rereading the material, use flashcards, error logs, or review questions to focus on your weak spots. Many students lag because they continue studying without engaging in effective review. Focus on closing knowledge gaps, not just putting in hours. And remember, consistency beats cramming every single time. Let's build a simple timeline you can follow. For example, if you aim to take Level 1 in November 2025, you should begin preparing by May to allow for 6 months of study. Here's how to break it down. Months 1 to 3, learn the material. Month 4, start mixing in heavy practice. Months 5 to 6, focus entirely on mock exams, review, and reinforcement. Aim to study 10 to 12 hours weekly. It's manageable with a full-time job, especially if you organize your weekends. And whatever you do, don't skip mock exams. They're the best indicator of how ready you are. The CFA is undoubtedly challenging, but you can succeed with a clear roadmap, consistent effort, and the right tools. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more CFA prep, finance career tips, and study strategies. And if you're ready to get serious about your prep, check out our CFA Level 1 course at 365 Financial Analyst. You've got this, and we're here to help you every step of the way.